Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I am Akhil Gorodia, a security consultant and researcher. In addition to my expertise in web and infrastructure security, I also have a significant experience in pen testing Android and iOS application. In this video, I covered the basic information about the Android pen testing. What is Android application? An Android application or Android app is a software program designed to run on device powered by the Android operating system, developed using Java or Kotlin programming languages and the Android SDK. This app offers various functionalities such as the accessing hardware features, connecting to the internet, managing database, and providing user interface. So many other platforms available for developing Android applications such as Android Studio, React Native, Flutter, Expo, Ionic, PhoneGap, NativeScript, Kotlin, etc. In our upcoming video discussion, we will explore the technique to identify the platform used by developer for our target application development. Two types of analysis available in Android pen testing: static analysis and dynamic analysis. What is static analysis? Static analysis involves the examining the application source code, resource, and manifest file without executing the app. It helps to identify potential security vulnerabilities, insecure coding practices, sensitive data exposure, and other issues. In our upcoming next video of static analysis, we will discuss method to identify potential vulnerabilities without the need to install the application. What is dynamic analysis? Dynamic analysis, the application is executed in control environment or device emulator. It involves the monitoring the app's behavior, network traffic, API calls, and interaction with the device to identify runtime vulnerabilities, unauthorized data transmission, insecure communication, and runtime behavior anomalies. In the next video, we will delve deeper into the world of Android pen testing, focusing specifically on static and dynamic analysis technique. We will explore the importance of this analysis method in assessing the security of Android application. From uncovering vulnerabilities to analyzing the app behavior, we will discuss the tools, technique, and best practices involved. Stay tuned for an in-depth exploration of Android pen testing. Take care, bye, and thanks for watching this video.